Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Ozeri dual oscillating 10-inch high velocity desktop table fan. And let's slice the box open here. See what it looks like. Here. All right, here it is. And this is the, see this in the camera here, Brezza 3. So this is the Brezza, this is the third model or design of this that they have. Oh, break the seal on this bad boy here. Packed pretty good. 30 foam on it. Pack in. This bag off. Alright, let me turn it over so I can get this box off here. It's packed pretty good. That's one thing I should say about this. It was packed really good. And get the tape off here. And this is the remote, because this comes with a remote control. And so you get the remote and you get the battery. You don't have to worry about that. Put that up. Let me try to get this, because they have a foam block right in the center here. Let me try to get this out of here. Alright. Got that out. So you also get an instruction manual. So don't worry. If you need instructions, you got them. See how long this cable is. It's a good length cable. Could be longer, but you know, it's a good length for now. It could be longer. But let's see what's on the display down here. We have timer, the oscillating right here, and this one is for left and right. The on and off button. Oscillation over here, and this one is for up and down, and then over here is for your speed. And then here it has a quiet button right here, and it has 1, 2, and 3 different levels. Okay, and also with your timer you have different increments or levels with that also. It's not heavy. It's pretty light, but we'll see when I plug it in how it moves, because it's pretty light. It is not heavy. It doesn't have a heavy base. I'll put this battery in here so we can get a quick test run of this here. You guys want to see it a little spinning. Some people like to see that. We'll get this set up here. Right, get that battery in here. Let me plug this bad boy in. For those who would like to see some action, get this off the base here. Power is going to the unit. Let me hit my power button here. Immediately starts up. And I have oscillating on here for left and right, up and down. So let me get the left and right one going. Okay, it's starting to turn now. There it goes. And it's the left and right oscillation here. And then I also have the up and down oscillation. Okay. Now let's get the up and down going. There it goes. It comes down. And this is just up and down oscillation. Let me have it go through here real quick, and then I'll switch to left and right. Let's see if it does it both at the same time. I haven't tried that yet. I've just been switching. Okay, let's try if it does it both. Alright, here we go. Up and down, side to side at the same time. There it goes. Now, right now it's on speed number 1. Let me increase the speed. Speed number 2. It is like concentrating the air. The way this design, like this tube design is, it's concentrating the air. Now the maximum speed. It gets pretty noisy at the top speed here. Let's see. There's no quiet button on this remote, but there's a quiet one on this. So you guys can see there's no quiet button on here. Turn it back to first speed, or it goes back down to first. This is quiet. If you guys can still hear it. It's on quiet mode right now. So this is as quiet as it gets. Okay, and you guys can hear that. Now turn it off. Pretty fast shuts down. Turn it back on. I put the timer on, and the timer has different times. I have to look for the specific amount of time it gives each, but it should have a time set for each setting. Okay, so the timer for each setting here is for number 1 timer. That is for 1 hour. Put it on number 2, that's for 2 hours. Number 3, 3 hours. Number 4, 4 hours. So it goes in increments of 1 hour for the timer. You can set the timer and it'll stay on for an hour and then shut off by itself after that. So that's the timer readings. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you guys learned something about this Ozeri fan, and if you'd like, you know, a fan in the future and think this model suits you. So I thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope it was helpful and informative for you. And my opinion of this fan is I like the amount of air it's flowing out of the fan. There's a lot of air coming out, so I like the amount of air it blows out. So it's a good fan for a starter fan. If you guys want to get into the fans with remotes and all this technology, there are cheaper fans, but you know, if you want to jump into that level of fans with remote and timers and all that oscillating, so But for my opinion, I like this fan. Good amount of air pressure comes out. I like the quiet feature. And you guys can decide if you want to try one of these. But thank you for watching my video. Thank you for checking out my channel. And if you like to, you can subscribe. If not, you don't have to. But thank you again for stopping by, and bye-bye.